I have this very like internal. I don't think I've ever said this out in an interview, but I think I also feel like I discover myself while I play the parts I play.
I believe in ghosts. Yeah.
Have you had any experience?
हाँ ऐसा एक बार ही हुआ था. ऐसे ऐसा लगा किसी ने चद्दर खींची मेरी. मैं कहीं शूट पे थी. लेकिन मुझे डर नहीं लगता तो आई एम लाइक ठीक है चिल. I was pretty chill with it.
वो सो गई वापस.
मैं सो गई. मैंने कहा यार सोने दो. I was very tired after shoot and I was like I don't.
सर ने हमें scenes ही नहीं दिए साथ में.
उन्होंने बोला ये लड़ लेंगे, प्रॉब्लम करेंगे, रहने दो.
Yeah, he was like no scenes together. Like just do one song.
But I have to tell you, एक बार जब मेरी फटी थी, वो जो वृंदा मैम was like, she gave us this.
She gave us a full, yeah, like a long
and
move.
she said, you guys have half an hour or whatever to learn it, and I saw it and I was like, ये तो मुझसे नहीं होगा.
Hello everyone, this is your host Riya and today we have with us Aramnai for beautiful cast and the amazing maker. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank
How
you.
are you?
We are good. How are you?
I'm also good. So first of all, congratulations. Aranmanai 4 का जो तमिल version है, it is already getting a lot of love. Already 100 crore cross हो गए हैं. So what are your expectations from the Hindi dubbed version?
हम तो यही सोच रहे हैं कि जितना प्यार तमिल ऑडियंस ने दिया है उतना ही हिंदी ऑडियंस भी दे. आई थिंक हम सब चाहते हैं कि यू नो फैमिलीज उठ के आए देखने के लिए बिकॉज तमिल में बहुत सारी फैमिली ऑडियंसेस आ रही हैं.
हाँ.
और आजकल ऐसी बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं जो आप फैमिली के साथ देख सकते हैं. तो ये वो फिल्म है और जैसे इतना प्यार तमिल में भी हमें मिला है आई होप कि इट रीचेस द हिंदी ऑडियंस एज वेल.
ओके. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ सेड कि मल्टी स्टारर फिल्म जब होती है सो इट इज़ वेरी टफ फॉर द टू बिग एक्टर्स टू वर्क टुगेदर. सो इट्स टाइम टू ब्रेक द रूमर्स. मिथ जो है ये बहुत ही बड़ा मिथ है कि जो दो बड़े स्टार्स होते हैं उनके लिए बहुत टफ होता है जब वो दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ काम करते हैं. सो हाउ वाज इट एक्चुअली वर्किंग टुगेदर?
बहुत ही टफ था यार, क्या बताऊं.
सर ने हमें scenes ही नहीं दिए साथ में.
उन्होंने बोला ये लड़ लेंगे, प्रॉब्लम करेंगे, रहने दो.
Yeah, he was like no scenes together. Like just do one song.
Scenes नहीं डाला.
सिर्फ सॉन्ग में डाला. उसमें भी हमने पूछा ये क्या पहन रही है.
They had more combination during promotion actually.
Yeah, we hung out during promotions. नहीं एक्चुअली आई होप आपके प्रश्न जैसा अगर हमारा आंसर उतना ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता, लेकिन हम एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं. वी डोंट हैव एनी. अरे यार हम फिल्म बना रहे हैं. आई थिंक फिल्म बनाते वक्त हम चाहते हैं कि फिल्म अच्छी बने. हम सब अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देना चाहते हैं ताकि फिल्म अच्छी बने. वैसे भी हारती हुई मैच का मैन ऑफ द मैच बनने का कोई मतलब नहीं होता. बट यू नो वी वांट टू मेक अ फिल्म दैट विंस द मैच आल्सो एंड हमको भी मैन ऑफ द मैच मिले.
जैसे आपने कहा कि वो मिथ है, वो मिथ ही है, वो फैक्ट नहीं है.
ओके. सो हाउ डू यू थिंक बॉलीवुड एंड साउथ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कितनी सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं एंड कितनी ज़्यादा डिफरेंसेस हैं? यू हैव वर्कड.
देखिए मैंने ये सवाल बहुत बार सुना है और मुझे ना थोड़ा टेढ़ा लगता है ये सवाल बिकॉज डायरेक्शन वही है, उसकी डेफिनेशन वही है, एक्टिंग की डेफिनेशन वही है, प्रोडक्शन की डेफिनेशन वही है और वही चीज़ हो रही है हर जगह. तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज़ एनी डिफरेंस अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लैंग्वेज. सब अच्छी फिल्में बनाना चाहते हैं, सब अच्छी स्टोरीज लिखना चाहते हैं, एक्टर्स अच्छा एक्ट करना चाहते हैं अच्छी फिल्म्स में और वो यूनिवर्सल इमोशन है. इट डजंट हैव टू डू विद साउथ इंडस्ट्री या बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री. आई थिंक अब वो जो बैरियर्स हैं वो थोड़े ब्रेक हो गए हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लैंग्वेज जो वो भी बैरियर नहीं रहा है बिकॉज हर फिल्म अब हर भाषा में आप देख सकते हैं. तो आई थिंक दैट बैरियर इज ब्रोकन और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है ऐसा.
So Sundar sir, this question is for you. Apart from directing the Aranmanai's film series, you have also directed, you have done Anbe Sivam and too many rom-coms. So how is it different with the different genres that you have done?
Actually, that's an interesting part for being a director. When you go for different genres, it's much easier also. If you take Aranmanai for example, this is the fourth movie in the franchise, and the franchise comes with certain rules. Audience will expect certain things in every movie of the franchise. So doing a franchise is most toughest job actually. There should be the things where audience expect you should give. At the same time, it should not be the same.
Yes.
That's the toughest job. That grammar, everything should be there. Horror element should be there, humor element, emotional element, everything. Actually, the Aranmanai franchise is built on emotional content only. It's not horror first. It's an emotional content.
Yes.
Say take Aranmanai 4. It's main between the mother and the kids. They have the mother trying to save the kids forms the core of the movie. So the emotional content, we have to come with the horror element, humor element, romantic element, and divine element. Everything should be there. So it's very tough to give four franchises in the 4 movies in the same franchise.
Yeah.
So that's the challenging thing. And
Yes.
doing different genres is much easier than doing the same franchise.
Exactly. Well said. What was your expectations from each other when you met for the very first time?
एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो किसी से नहीं होती लाइफ में लेकिन पहली बार मैं
You should be,
Maybe an
you should be
experience.
asked to some lovers.
नहीं एक्चुअली सुंदर सी सर से तो मैं पहली बार मिली थी अरुणमणि 3 के सेट पे और एक्सपेक्टेशन ऐसे नहीं थी बट मुझे स्टोरी पता थी, मुझे हॉरर बहुत पसंद है, तो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी वर्किंग इन अ हॉरर फिल्म. और उनके साथ कैसा है ना, एक किटी पार्टी लगती है, लाइक लिटरली इट्स लाइक वी आर जस्ट हैविंग फन. इट डजंट फील लाइक जो आप देखते हो, मतलब हमने जब पहली बार ट्रेलर देखा था तो हम भी डर गए थे बिकॉज अरे हमने ये काम किया, बिकॉज यू नो इट फेल्ट लाइक अरे हम तो यू नो दिस इज आवर होम. इट फील्स लाइक दैट विद हिम एंड विद खुशबू मैम. तो उनके साथ ऐसा था. तमन्ना के साथ जब पहली बार मैंने काम किया था तो वो तेलुगु फिल्म थी, वो ये वाली फिल्म नहीं थी, बंगाल टाइगर में. और आई थिंक बहुत ही एक अच्छी वाइब आई उनसे.
Connected हो.
मतलब पहली बार मिलके आपको लगता है ना अरे ये अच्छा इंसान है, लाइक यू कैन जस्ट फील इट इन द एनर्जी, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई फेल्ट विद हर. एंड शी नाउ इट्स बीन हाउ मेनी इयर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री? 18
Almost.
I mean, she's worked firstly to survive for that long, trust me, is a feat in itself, and she's done it for 18 years and she's still rocking it. And at that time also ये बहुत ही बड़ा नाम थी और मैं नई आई थी उस टाइम इंडस्ट्री में, तो मेरे लिए I was like पता नहीं, you know, सीनियर है कैसा होगा and all that, but she was so nice to me and she really uplifted me there also.
Yes.
जो उनको ज़रूरत नहीं थी करने की, but I think that's in her nature to help people around her, to be caring around people, and the experience was fabulous. And ये फिल्म में तो obviously we knew each other, so it was much more easier.
I was excited जब राशि, मुझे पता था कि राशि है फिल्म में. I was excited to meet her. It's always nice. हम मिलते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है दोस्त मिल गए हैं और काम कर रहे हैं.
Kind of a reunion.
Yeah, it feels great.
Yeah. What about you, sir? When you met your cast for the very first time?
Most of the heroines that excitement of going to see a beautiful girl. That's the first important thing.
Yes.
Actually, and I remember first I met Tamanna. The first day itself is an action sequence. She has to jump from. We are shooting in Turkey. She have to jump from one floor to another floor. She came and looked down, and from down, when she was in the street, she's happy. Oh, from here to here, okay, no problem.
I came up, I was like,
When she was up, she started like a small kid going to the school. No, I can't jump. So that was the first day of our meeting. Rashi's was more easier. We are shooting in Gujarat, one huge big palace, and I was stunned first day when I saw her in person. She resembles another huge star. I was complimenting her. For that was the first day. That was a soft one, and it was a hard one.
Oh. And also, Sundar sir, from where did you get the motive to make this project, and what is that origin?
No, it's my family. When the family get-togethers, I watched my family and my family friends. All the ladies and kids love to watch the horror movies. So that time only I realized actually, because till that time only the series horror movies are coming, something like Conjuring. And everything. So I thought of making a movie, of horror movie, where it will be more colorful, big palaces, colorful artists, like that. Not the usual horror movie. It should be a haunted place, and one particular character will go and get caught in that place. It's not like that.
Yeah.
A crowd of people, colorful palace, big palace. Why don't we make a movie like that? So that family and kids will all enjoy and see. That my calculation went correct actually.
Yeah, it did indeed. So also we would like to hear, how was your experience working with Kamal Haasan and everyone's favorite Maddie?
Oh, Maddie. So, okay. Yeah, it was nice actually. With Kamal sir, I was not like a director, more of a student with him.
Okay.
And Maddie and me are both of same age group. We gelled well. But with Kamal sir, it's like a learning experience. Working with someone like with Kamal sir, who was a legend, and that movie still is considered as one of the cult movie, Anbe Shivam. Wherever my visiting card for me, wherever I goes, they call me as Anbe Shivam director. So that's one big compliment I get from that movie.
So sweet. So Tamanna ma'am, you have been literally on a streak like 2023 में आपने सबको नचाया है, and in 2024 you are giving the theatrical experience to the audience, and your next project is also coming, Veda. So how do you see that as per the audience?
My idea is just I'm the kind of person who likes to do different kind of things. So I've always done, you know, movies in different languages. I have done movies of different genres, from ensemble casts to, you know, solo leading films, shows. I think I enjoy the experience of, you know, being someone new every day. So I feel like that is very exciting for me, and I think I do it because I truly feel like as an actor, if we keep doing the same thing, the audience is going to just get bored of looking at you in the same way, and you're also going to get bored of performing the same thing. So the idea is to churn out something new for the audiences constantly, and also I feel like I have this very like internal. I don't think I've ever said this out in an interview, but I think I also feel like I discover myself while I play the parts I play.
Yes.
And I feel like it is a cathartic experience for me to play certain characters, because I don't know how, but it kind of helps me find a little bit of myself in them. And yeah, so I value every film experience that I have. It teaches me how to be a little more of me.
Yes, true. Okay, and same goes for you, Rashi. This पहले आपने योद्धा करी, अभी this project, and I'm sure next आपकी साबरमती एक्सप्रेस आ रही in a cop. So how do you take all the fame and appreciation from all the audience?
I think that's what we live for as actors.
Yeah.
Not for the fame, for the appreciation. Because fame तो अब सब लोग famous हो जाते हैं. It's not something to aspire for. But I feel the respect that you get from the audience is what we all aspire for as actors. And that is why it's important कि आप हर तरह की फिल्में करो और आपको ऑडियंस हर तरह के किरदारों में देखे. और you also enjoy it as a process when you play different characters, and that's what I want to do in my cinematic journey.
Okay, and also this movie is all about horror comedy. So do you believe anyway in spirits, ghosts?
I believe.
You
I believe in ghosts. Yeah.
Have you had any experience?
हाँ, ऐसा एक बार ही हुआ था. ऐसा लगा किसी ने चद्दर खींची मेरी. मैं कहीं शूट पे थी. लेकिन मुझे डर नहीं लगता, तो आई एम लाइक ठीक है, चिल. I was pretty chill with it.
वो सो गई वापस.
मैं सो गई. मैंने कहा यार सोने दो. I was very tired after shoot and I was like I don't have the bandwidth to deal with this. नहीं, but I feel like I'm protected. तो मुझे इतना डर लगता नहीं है.
Okay, what about you?
मैं बहुत डरती हूँ. मैं ऐसे मामलों में घुसती नहीं. अगर मतलब I don't even think about it. I'm like मुझे वो रास्ते जाना ही नहीं है.
कभी वो भूत का experience नहीं हुआ?
अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ.
Okay.
But yeah, so I find I hope I don't have to experience. Yeah.
Okay. And also you both have danced together, if I'm not
Yes.
wrong. So how was working and how was the coordination went? How was the experience?
There was no time. We had 2
Yeah.
days, and we had only enough time to like just get our steps right. And
But I have to tell you, एक बार जब मेरी फटी थी,
हाँ.
वो जब वृंदा मैम was like, she gave us this. Remember
she
that
gave us a
belly
full,
dancing
yeah,
thing?
like a long
And
move.
she said, you guys have half an hour or whatever to learn it, and I saw it and I was like, ये तो मुझसे नहीं होगा. And I was like,
But you aced it.
yeah, I mean we
was
both
so
did,
good.
we both did, but I think we both have this inside us. I mean अंदर से कितना भी डर हो ना, वो बाहर
वो हो
दिखता
जाता
नहीं है. वो हो जाता है कि अच्छा हम कर लेंगे साथ में.
But you were very hot in the song.
Yeah,
Very
Yeah.
you're also very hot, Tamanna, in the song, rubbish.
To be frank, that song, I am not actually happy about the song. I was telling this is the 4th version of the song, and I told my composer, it's not good, we have to come with other song. Then he tried another couple of songs, it took some time, and I was not happy at all with that also. But the dates, combination, everything near. So I have no other option to go with this song, which I was not 100% happy about. But these 2 great ladies made the song a super
It
hit.
became such a big
such
hit.
a rage
It's
in
such a big
Yes.
hit, yeah.
And last question is, बहुत सारी Gen Z generation है जो अपने मीडिया या फिर एक्टिंग में करियर बनाना चाहती हैं. So what is that one advice that you would love to give to the audience who want to make career, especially Gen Z generation?
I think focus on your craft, not on your social media numbers. That's what the biggest advice I can give as an actor.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. I think it's very important to gain life experience and to make sure you have a variety of experiences, because I feel like sometimes that is what becomes the fuel to your performances. So make sure you take every opportunity for every experience fully before you set out to become an actor, and also only become an actor if you are ready to completely lose yourself, because you're likely not to have you will have to give in a lot before you can get anything. So only if you're willing to give that much should you become an actor.
Amazing. Well, it was very lovely meeting you,
Thank
and
you.
all the very, very best
Thank you
for
so much.
Alumni
Thank you.
4th. And thank you once again for
Thank
joining
you.
Instant
Thank
Podcast.
Thank you.